Hey, hello there. How are you, my friends? Welcome to the English stream, special stream today. It's the 40th stream in a row. We was streaming for 2 weeks in a row every day, so I'm very excited for that and very excited because we will do this English stream. We will try, of course. I don't speak English often, so it will be hard for me thinking in English, think the different kind of words, thinking coding in English, because it's different when you think the methods, the syntaxes, the words, the keys, and different kind of concept in Spanish than English. So let's go try to do this. I will need a lot of help of you. If you see that or you hear that I say something wrong, you can correct me in the chat. What's going on, Shimmer? Hello, Fali. Hello, Farab. How are you? Hi, Mati. How are you? Pipa. Oh, you are from the Pipa stream. Pipa, I saw the stream because I like play PUBG, so I was looking today Pipa stream because he's streaming in the hotel of Thailand. Yes, Thailand. I was seeing a few minutes of the stream. I like a lot of PUBG. Hey Martin, let's go with Extravíos. Yeah, Farab, let's go. PUBG Nation, yeah. The PUBG Nations Argentinian team representing with Fisher, Martin San, Alerbe, Pipa. Yeah, of course. Okay, guys, let's go with this. We'll try to do something great today. We will try to implement Auth0 to use as a login because, as you know, in a different stream that we do, we just have a home. We don't have any login here, so you can log in this page, and we need a user for get the data from the user, show the extravíos lost. I think extravíos in English is lost. You can say me if that is okay, but we will try. So we need to set all the data in the user table, like province, city of user, to show the loss of that city of the user. No? So if you are from Barcelona, Spain, you can set that in your user. So when you enter at home, you enter at home, yeah. You will see only the loss of Barcelona, Spain. You know, that is the idea. So we will try to do that. Auth0 is a good tool for authentication. I like it. Yeah, I like it too. I implemented Auth0, I think, in 2 side projects, and was very simple because they have a very good documentation. We will try. But if you want out database, Superbase is a good alternative. Yeah, the thing with that is that we are using MySQL. If you remember, we have a setup in the backend with the Node.js, Express, SQLize, Docker, MySQL. I don't know if Superbase can do that, but I think we can do the authentication with Auth0. After that, just use for login, and all the rest of the data will be in the MySQL. MySQL is a different. No, it's a hard word to say because it's no MySQL. MySQL. Yeah. MySQL is like you can say that way. MySQL. That's it. You say MySQL in Spanish. We say it very bad, but we need to acostumbrarme. I don't remember esa palabra. No, hablo un poquito español. Okay. And let's try the maybe in the future we can use every other thing. Get used to. Oh yeah. Thank you, Simmer. Thank you. Yes, I need to get used to use that word because I say all the time MySQL is very bad for English purpose. So let's go do it, guys. What do you think if we open a new window? I will try to speak all I do. I know it's very obvious that I will open a new window, but I will try to do to speak everything for try to remember different kind of words, new windows, right click, URL, different kind of typical words that we don't say often, but I will try to do to speak everything, you know. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Login. But I don't know if I can log in with this account or I can log in with my personal account. Because this account is from my streams. Okay, I will open a new window, but for my main account, you know, Haciendo.com, you know. Yeah, we can log in here, and when you log in, I think, oh, we can use GitHub. Okay, perfect. I will use GitHub for that. Authentication, quick start. Yeah, this is oh, very white middle. Look at my hand. I'm very white right now. I need a dark mode in this page, please, because I'm very white. So we can have a dark mode here. I think no. Settings, advanced. No, we don't have. Okay, I will try to fix the camera because you see just a white guy, you know, that way. I think maybe, yeah, no, yeah. It's okay, right there, perfect. Yeah, you can try this extension, Dark Reader in Chrome. Oh, thank you, Shimmer. Let's go try it. We have a extension here in Chrome. 4 million. Wow. It's a very used extension in Chrome. We will add it. And now, if we refresh, oh, perfect. No refresh needed. Thank you very much. It's a really good station. I like this. If we go to infovibe.com, wow. I see this page often to read some news, and it's too whitey too, and I like it. Thank you very much, Shimmer. Perfect. So let's go do it. Getting started. Ferald sent me a link to do the quick setup to Next.js, but I will show you from the start, from the scratch. Scratch is a very good word. That scratch. I like scratch. Oh, I'm very dark right now. No, sorry. I will fix the camera a little bit. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay right now. When you log in the Haciendo.com, you can get this link, this menu in the top left corner. Yeah, and so you can click and get started, and you can create an application. And this is a very good banner to start. So you can create an application, and you can put here the name. So let's go put Extravíos, and you can choose the type of application that you are building, no? So you can select native, single page web applications, regular web application, or machine to machine application. And you have examples right here on the bottom on each. You can select, for example, React, no? In this case, we are using Next.js, but Next.js is a library of React. So let's go select this. Yeah. And after that, create. After that, we have a client ID here, but we need to follow this guide, the quick start. And right now we can select again the technology is if any another framework like Angular, JavaScript, React, Vue, and we can type here next. And this part is very broken. I will report this later because I see this from very I don't know how to say from the past. And this can fix with display flex, I think. Display direction route, and you can set that. Nice. Yes, Mati. Nice. Hi, Vedas. How are you? Have a long time. Hey, nice to meet you. Welcome, the people of Latam. It's a very good place, Latam. I will go to Latam very soon, I think. I really like the asado, chorizo portuano. Okay, let's go tell again Next.js. We have a guy here, a guide. No, a guy. No, a people. No, a man. It's a guide. Sorry for my pronunciation. And you have two options here. It's the left side and the right side, you know. The left side, if you want to integrate with app, so you want to integrate right now with an existing app, you know. That this is our example because we have already. That's very very hard to say that. Already. An app. Hey Lucas, how are you? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. How's it going? Hi from Paraguay. Oh, Latam. Lucas, nice to meet you. I want to go to Latam, Paraguay too. It's very very good food from Paraguay. So this option of this another one that you can download an example app or view it in GitHub, and you have all the data here. Oh man, look, we have that remote too in GitHub. Yeah. But we will do this part of this guide step by step. No, so we can click on here in our first step. Let's go to it. You like more mate or tere? I like more mate in winter and tere in summer, you know. But I can drink mate in summer too, maybe in the nights or not in hot state, you know. But I can drink mate right now. I'm very thirsty. I'm drinking right now a soda. It's called Schweppes. Yeah. Without sugar. It's a very good because have a kind of soda, you know. Really good. So you have all the explanation here. I will do this quickly because I know about it. And we can click here. You can get this detail from application settings, and you can see all data here. So applications, you click the application that you created before, Extravíos, and right now go to settings, and we have all the data right here. No, so you need to follow with information. We need domain, client ID, and client secret. You know, so we will. we will left that open because we will need it later, no? This is another thing, and we need to configure callback URL. Callback URL is when you log in and you log out. For that, okay, we can set that right here at the bottom behind. I think it's okay. Yeah, we will have here a local call URL, application login URL. Yep. And we need to set just for now configure callback URL, you know. And you have an example aquí, sorry. You have an example here. You can copy right here. This is because it's localhost 2 points, I think. Sorry, I don't remember how to say these ones. In Spanish we say 2 points, but I don't know how to say it in English. Copy this, and callback URL will be this, will be that. API out callback, and after that we can configure the log out URL. This is when the user log out from our application, so this will be redirected to the index, you know. Okay, perfect. And after that we just need to install this package, you know, and we can go to the folder, project folder, and install Haciendo Next.js, and after that we need to create in the root of your project, create a file called .m.local. Are you going to use a third-party app for the out? Sorry for that. I don't understand. Like Gmail. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe we can use for now, just for this start. Gmail. Sorry. The bell is ringing. Well, we have the first sponsor. Thank you, Mercado Libre, for this package. You will send. No, sorry. No. It's just I something like I bought. Open the door. El que habla español baneo. Oh, sorry, I don't understand. We'll play. Okay, so we have installed these packages. Perfect. And let's go. And now we go to this main folder, and right here we have an mlocal. Perfect. We have already one because we use it for API URL and Next.js public M, so we don't need to create a new one because we have the one. If you don't have created, just create it. And now we have a different kind of thing, you know. In this one, you have Auth0 secret that you need to use this command to get generate a 32 bit value you know. But if I try to do this in Windows Terminal or Windows PowerShell, we will have this sorry for the word. No say bad words. When we will try to in Git bash, right click, paste him. Okay, perfect. We have this one. Nice. And we will replace all this. After that, we use localhost 2.300. I don't remember never if 300 or 3000. 100 is when you have just 2 zeros. And 1000, 3. Okay, 1003. Perfect. No. Thank you for that follow, Darpas. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Thank you so much for following me. We have an auxiliary user basic URL. This one we don't need it to set that because it's okay. That's that one. We have the client ID, and as you see, in this quick start, we already have the client ID. You know, we have this one is the same like this, and this one is this for this. You know, so it's not necessary to clean up this one. Perfect. After that, okay, we have an explanation from everyone of every property from here, so you can read it if you want. And after that, we need to do something like this, you know. You're welcome, Ken. I'm fine. How are you? Oh, I'm glad for you. I'm fine too. Thank you. I'm trying to speak some English here. It's very hard because I don't speak English often. I need to think everything. I need to rethink everything, and it's hard for me. But we are here to try. So if you hear something I say wrong, you can correct me. I don't know if okay. No? You can correct me, or you can teach me, or you can say me. You know, correct me is not okay. It's better if you speak, okay, and correct afterwards. Like, don't think of what you're saying. Oh, perfect. Thanks for this advice. That's because you think, oh, you had a lot of time thinking, oh, I need to say this, and you overthink everything. It's like when you are coding, right? Maybe sometimes you are rethinking a lot what you need to write and what you need to code, but if you rethink too much, maybe you have a mental block, you know. And so, like Shimmer said, you can start to write something. You can start to code something basic, you know, a simple if, a simple condition, and after that, line by line, you can refactor, you can rethink, like Shimmer said. And I think the same is with the language, you know, because you don't need to think too much. Refact me. That is nice. Keep going. Don't stop practicing, as you probably know. English open a lot of doors. Golden doors, if you know what I mean. Thank you very much for that message. It's idea because I have it. I work in a Spanish company, but we want to have English clients. So the next year we will have clients from USA, and this is very useful for us. And it's very useful because you can watch video in YouTube and different kind of. You can read documentation. You can I don't know, do a different kind of course in different page, and you can understand more and more and more. And it's a very good documentation in English. Maybe sometimes we don't have that documentation in Spanish, you know, or we need to wait for something translate or use translator that are not very useful. All right, let's go. What chapter in this stream? 40? Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Yes, this is like a series, you know. In the first stream, we made a backend with Node, Express, SQLize, Docker, and MySQL. And after that, all the past stream, the 12th stream, we made the frontend, this one, or this frontend. We do a different kind of thing in this frontend. Now in this 40, we are implementing Haciendo. We are trying to implement the login. Of course, foreign company are the best strategy to aim for. Yeah, I think we have a very good potential here in LATAM. We can do some apps and different kind of things for here, and sport for the world too. And as you said, the best documentation of video are in English. Yeah, but we have a very good translators like Videodev and Gonzi that help us to understand all that concept in English. But it's better. And learn new English is very good for the mind, you know, because when you learn something else, you can open your mind and don't do it always the same, you know, because if you always talk in Spanish and you don't have an open mind to learn different kind of thing, nor just a language, everything like culture, like read a new book, do a new hobby, and the different kind of things is very good for mental health, no? I think. Great. So now we can create this file. We can create in the API folder of page. As you remember, Next.js has or you can have an API folder to create an API inside Next.js. That is very good. And as you see, for default, Next.js creates a API folder and hello.js example right here. So if we go to the backend right here, look at host 2.2. I don't think I need to say 2 point. I will say it's just localhost 3000, sorry. Slash API slash hello. As you can see, we have a response from Next.js, you know. Oh, take it for a follow, Teshu. How are you? Welcome to the stream. How's it going, man? I will try to say hello and different kind of words to try to not repeat always the same. Say hello, how are you? For practice that kind of message too. So now we have a Next.js, and now in Next.js we need to do a new file Haciendo slash, oh, I don't know how to say that. Let me search that, because we have I think, I don't remember, but in English it's a very brackets. Okay, yeah, brackets. Bracket e curly brackets. I think is the other word. Yeah, curly braces. Yeah, curly braces and brackets. You know, you understand that? Curly braces are this one. Sorry. Oh, I can write it in this keyboard because I have another language. Yeah, this one, and this one, no? Curly braces and brackets. So when you see a stream and the streamer said, I will write curly braces are this one and brackets are the other ones. As we say, brackets, objects, and sorry, we say that for arrays and this one for objects. No, right. Now let's go save that because we don't save this one. We will create this file here in API. We can create a new file. Look at this. I don't know if you have this little hack in Visual Studio Code, but we can create a new folder, call it out, and after that, click in right-click in out and click new file. No, these are 2 steps, but we can do that in just 1 step. Just right-clicking API in the API folder, new file, not new folder, new file, and here we can create out0. This is the name folder, and when you write slash, Visual Studio Code will interpret that you are creating a folder. So you can write this name folder slash and this file. We will press enter and look at this. We have a folder right here. It's very useful when you are creating very kind of children's. You have a main folder and you have too much folders inside that folders. In this case, we have 2 folders here. API out, out0. So it's very, very useful in this time. So after that, we just need to copy that line because we need to import handle out from out0, Next.js out0, and we just need export default handle out, that is that function, under the hood. That this part says that this we will create the following route: /API/out/login, logout, callback, and me. In each route is very very obvious, because this is a login, this is the logout, this is what the user redirect after a successful login, and /me is a route to fetch the profile user data. Now we need to change our. Let's go close all this, and we need to open our app.js. In this case, we have TSX because we have a TypeScript. So in this file, file is that I say. In this file, we need to import user provider from Next.js out0, and after that, we need to grab all our we need to wrap all inside a user provider. That's all the application need to use user provider. And after that, suppose that it can be accessed for any component using the user. Hi Martin, hello everyone. Hey Mariano, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Thank you. How are you today? It's Thursday. Hello, soldier. Mariano is a soldier? And I don't know. Or we are all soldiers because we code React and Next.js. React soldier is a very good one. Okay, and now this endpoint we can add logins onto our application. In which way? We can do just this, It's a link to this page that creates that's a route, as we said before. We just need to do that. Which we can do that in our page index, You remember in our index we have a home header. It's like, sorry, we will close this one, and in our home header, call it control, and you can click left click, and we will go to this component, you know, and we have this title, Extravíos, and now we have we can add a spacer, you know. Spacers is a component of ChakraUI library that made a space between two elements, you know. So control plus dot, and you can update import from React. Now it's okay, and after that we can write right now the word. We can do something like this, but after that we can refactor this to an icon, you know, not that work. Okay, and we have a problem here because okay, this heading and height version button, we can do this like flex, I think. No, sorry, display flex. Okay, and I don't know why the spacer doesn't work. It's maybe we need to set max the context. No, sorry, width 100. No, string 100%. Okay, we can do it this way. I don't know if it's the best way, but this is a way, you know. Display flex with 100%, and the spacer will do the space between this one, you know. And after that we can use that this instruction, sorry, this href this aref, sorry for my English, but we have in our Next.js application we can use link, you know, the link component. So we can do this, and after that href, copy this one, and sorry, okay, no, I doing very well. Okay, right now, yeah, and we will have a problem thing, I think, because we can pass any href here. We will try this. Okay, let's go remove this, and let's go. Oh, okay, yeah, perfect. And what is this happening here is because secret is required. It's like we don't have. Hey, hello, Dimitri Maximo. How are you? How's it going? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. An English stream today, just for today, you know. Tomorrow we will have a Spanish stream, or maybe we can speak in Portuguese. I don't know, or Italian stream. Oh, sorry. And I think this problem maybe is because we need to reset our application because we changed it. Oh, yeah, because we changed our M file. You know, I think. Let's go try again. No, sorry. Go try it from here. Log in. Yes, we did it. Ooh. Yeah, because we changed this file and we need to reset our app for Next.js. Take this this data, you know, and we can close this one. And we have a light mode. We need to set this for dark mode, you know. Okay, perfect. And we have this login, you know. And after that, let's go back to our page. And we have a very useful data right here at the bottom, you know? This is a very good one, and you can finish the whole thing here, but you need to check this one because it's very important, and you can add a logout. It's very intuitive, but this is an important one. Show user profile information, you know, and you can do this data. And what is a good thing about an Auth0? And the good thing with that is the Auth0 bring you a hook, you know, a React hook, call it user, that return three things: a user, error, is loading. So you can do everything. You can do all with these three things. You know, it's loading, show a message loading. If you have any error with the login, you can show the error right here. And if you have all the data, the user can log in successful, you can show this data right here with that condition. You know, it's very good. Hey, August, how are you? Hello, welcome to the English stream today. How's it going? Sorry, I need to drink. I'm very thirsty today. Perfect. So let's go do this. Let's go import into at home. Sorry. At home. Yeah, the problem with that, we have I'm thinking because we have a situation, you know. If we do the logic right here in the home, the header, we can ask right here for the user data. Yes, I think we can do this. Let's go do it this way. Okay, let's go import right here the user hook from Next.js Auth0, and after that, in our component, we can import these lines. User error is loading from the user hook. After that, we can do this logic too. Thank you very much, Auth0, for this one. If it's loading, let's go show just a div with loading. If not, we have an error. We can show this error. But if we have the user data, we can just hide this part, you know. Let's go. Perfect. And after that, perfect. Let's go close this one, and let's go copy this line inside this fragment, you know. And after that, we have login, and we can do some logic. If we don't have user, show this, and if we have user data, we will show this one. You know, perfect. Type a string and define it is not signable. Okay, wait a second. TypeScript. And let's go try this one. You know, if we refresh our page, we see the login section because we don't have any user logged in. You know, but what's happened if we log in, right click, left click, sorry, and we can select by default continue with Google. Sorry for that hit in the mic. Continue with Google, and we can select our account. Let's go click in my email, and you need to authorize to the app to bring just this access to profile and email. We will accept this one. Accept, and boom, we have the user data. Woohoo! We did it, guys. Very good. And now we can do all the logic that you can do. Logout button. You can make this small more small, you can hide this name or just show the first one. You can hide the email, you know. We can do this one right now. Image. We will use image from Next.js. We have a property right here called image that help you to optimize image from Next.js image. Thank you, Git Copilot. And after that, we have this one, username. Copy that one. Width and height, perfect. And we need to set a width, I think. Maybe we can set 24. Set. Let's go back. Sorry. Go to this way. What with your set must use width and height. Perfect. We need to set both, not just the width. 24 and 24. And if we refresh, okay, we have this error. Which means this error, you know, that you say, like you see this error, invalid series prop or Next.js image, hostname LH3, Google user content is not configured and the image in the Next.js conf. So we can click here, we can copy this hostname, and we need to create right here. Sorry, we need to go to our next config.js, and right here we need to copy that line. We copy, for this one, and we can add these lines, this image with the object domains with the domain we need to try to work. You know, we need to get the image data from here. So if we refresh it, we will see the same error, you know, the same error right here. Thank you, Fraga, for this follow, for that follow. No, this follow, for that follow. How are you? And what we need to do is because we need to reset our frontend because we've changed the config of Next.js, you know. And as you can see, oh, sorry, I deleted that method. But in console, we have that error. You need to refresh your app for see the change. And after refresh that, woo, we have right now the home header with all the data, you know. And after that, we have name, and name we need to, for example, we can split right here, split that one by this one, and after split, just give me the first position of the right, you know. I think it's okay. Yeah, you can say username, and in this one we can say const username equal to username dot splits, and we can split this name space. It's okay. And after that we can use that. Okay, this is working right now. No, this is not working. Oh no, sorry, not that, not one, this one. Username, yes. Yeah, we did it. Right. And after that, we need to put this this way, and we need to set this box like display flex, I think. Sorry, or just box for flex. We need to import display flex, right? Oh, sorry. We have an error there, right there, because we don't have too much space, you know. How we fix this? Let me check this one in the ChakraUI documentation. Get started. I think we can come here to components, and component we have icon button. No, I don't think it's icon button, or maybe, or grid. You can use grid or flex. We can use flex. Let's go try flex. Flex is okay. Box, we don't use it. Right? Oh, it's very big, this one. Okay, A24 is very distorted. Very distorted? No, I don't think it's that word, but you understand me. You understand. And sorry, 36, 40. I think 40 is okay. 40. No. 30. Started. Thank you, Shimmer. Thank you for being so kind with me and teach me. That's the idea. Okay, 30, and we can set some style right here. We have an image, and in this image we need to we can use image from here. Image, right? Cover, yeah. Image, border radius full, but this is not the image from React, you know. That is the problem. We don't have a border. We don't have the same property because we are not using the image component from ChakraUI. We are using the image from Next.js for this one. But because we have a very small image, we don't have to use the image component from React right now, because we don't have a good optimization of this image because it's very small. We don't have any problem of this, you know. And if we come here, yeah, we have this one, and let's go make some margin right of 4, I think, right? Perfect. And username, we have this one, and can we change this to text? It's okay. Perfect. Sure, man. You're teaching us too. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm glad if you're learning something this night. Chakra is like material UI, right? Yes, Mariano. Yes, it's a library you can use to do some project. I think it's very good when you don't want to make the CSS from zero, and you have ChakraUI, Tailwind, Material UI. You have something like Next UI, you have too much different kind of libraries, and the most common are Tailwind and Chakra. Tailwind I like it so much too because you have this kind of code, but you know, you can try it. I recommend you to try it if you wanna do a quick project, you know, a quick project, and think more in the functionality that the CSS. If you have the optimized app, you can write pure CSS. ChakraUI is more like a lower level design system framework. Nice. Thank you, Beta, for that explanation. Sorry for my explanation. It's like I say, it's very in a different kind of word, but you understand me, you know. Great. We have our image here, and if we have this test, you know, wow, this test scale a lot, you know. We need to flex and we need to justify our content to center, I think, and align intent center, you know. Perfect. And this text, I need to set the size, sorry, to 1. No, we can say 1 rem. We say 2 rem. This doesn't change. I think text. Let's go check the size. Oh, size. Okay. And now this is not this is font size. Sorry. And right here we can set over like XL. You know, not too big. You know. Perfect. Yeah. Great, great. I like it. I like it. And after that, as you can see, we have the user and we have the user profile. Sorry, the user photo profile and the username. But if we go right now to localhost 3000 dash /API/logout, we will log out of our application. We have an error right here. An error for log on server. But if I refresh this one, oh, we have an error here. Okay, we have an error in our. Oh, sorry. It's not this URL. I forgot to add out. You know, it's like API/out/logout, and right now, boom, we are logged out, and we have the redirection to our home, and we have the login again. Woo! We did it very well. Let's go, team. Okay, let's go move this one. We need to set this one. We can set that in a box, I think. But because we need to box, it's okay if we use a box here. Yeah, we can log in. We will see everything okay with a box. Yeah, perfect. And now I want to set cursor pointer. You know, this is when you want to show cursor pointer when you move the mouse on the top of this part, you know, and all this will we have a cursor pointer in Chakra. So it's perfect. And now we can go to the API out logout. If we go to login, we have the same behavior. I invented that word, behavior. I think behavior is something, but I don't remember. Sorry. Translate. No, not this one. This one. Behavior. What is behavior? Comportamiento. Yeah. Behavior. I said it well. Thanks. No, thank to you, Mariano, for asking. Wow, I was busy doing a side project and I lost my mind. I'm here now. Oh, Albert. Hey, how are you? Now that's a very good, you know. The important thing is that you made a side project and you spent time making that side project. And if you just make 1 hour of this side project today, it's a very good one. That isn't the important thing in everything, you know. The habits. You need to make an habit of that good thing. No? Okay, we have the login right now, people. I'm very proud of the login. We will try to do this one. Let's go. let's go to a drop down. When you hover this part to show the login, the logout text. So we have a, sorry, what I say? And I'm with TypeScript, of course. Nice one. TypeScript and testing. It's very useful. What we need to do right now? I need to do I don't remember. A menu. Scroll. I don't remember. Scrolling modal. This one? No. A context menu. I don't remember the word I said. Pop over? No. Menu. It's like this, no? Open menu. Yeah, it's like this. Good. Yeah, we can make this, and checking the avatar section. Oh, good one, better. Thank you. I will check that. Thank you for that follow. Outful at Games Sky. You have a very hard name, and I'm talking in English, and I will say you Fula. Are you okay with that? I can say you Fula because it's a very long nickname. This update, I'm asked the reason for TypeScript. I will say that Martin Acosta was the blame for it. Very good one. I think. That's important. It's like I say, not what you do. What I do, sorry. And I don't have too much TypeScript here, but thank you all for that follow. Hello, how are you all? Welcome to the English stream today. We're trying to make something amazing here. Avatar. Okay, avatar is very good. But what we have right now? Yeah, we have the avatar here, but we don't have any navigation. Side. Oh, you say for that image? Wrap item, wrap. I think it's too much code for just an avatar, you know? Maybe we can set. We can try this. Wrap item. I don't know what is the wrap. Wrap. What is wrap? Well, let's go try it. So my outer group spacing 1 rm. Nice. Okay, let's go try this one because we have this one here. Let me add a fragment right here. Copy this line of code, and inside of this, copy this one. Right, outer group. We can add missing import for this one, and after that, we don't have an icon. We have an image. And image SRC, right? SR is I don't know how to say it. SR is, you know. I think it's okay. And after that, we can comment this part of code. And what we have, we have 2-1, right? Perfect. And we have the text right here. We can copy this one. Perfect. Great. Thank you for that advice, we have the same result, writing all this line, flex, image, width, height, and everything. We can do this with avatar group. It's very more, I don't know, you know, that. Your English is fine, senor. Thank you, Fula. Thank you for that. I'm practicing. It's an idea. I don't speak English very well, and often. I don't know when was the last time that I talked English more than, I don't know, 2 minutes. You know. I talk English just for me, and when I think something, but that's in more. I don't talk with people. I don't do a stream in English. I don't do any in English, so it's very good. You speak English better English than I do speak Spanish Portuguese. Oh, thank you very much. Falvar or Falva? I can say you. Can I say you Falva? Can I name you Falva? Sorry for that. Thank you for that follow. Welcome. I tried. I think maybe you can understand my English more than my Spanish, you know, because I don't speak very well Spanish. Are you in other room today, or do you turn off one hall light for stream? Yeah, that is because I turn off this filter, you know. Let me show again. Boom. I have a different kind of filter in my camera because I have too much light today, I think, and it's more dark. It's more dark. Okay, perfect. And now we can try to do a menu. Let's go to a menu. Menu button. Okay. Let's go do this for the avatar. We have here a menu. Let's go import that menu, and we have an actions menu button, I think. Yeah. And we have this avatar group. So let's go grab all the thing right here. We don't have a right icon because we don't want an icon. And let's go grab all this avatar. Let's go import all that is missing imports. And after that we can make an after menu button we can write menu list, menu item, thank you with Copilot, and we have a logout. No, now we close this one. We will import again all that missing imports, and after that, if we refresh our page and we click here, we have a very large logout. We need to fix that, you know. Feel free to do more English stream practice, more perfect. Oh, thank you. It's an idea, but I don't know if you want to speak and listen English, you know. Maybe you want to learn or make this thing in Spanish because it's hard for you practicing English. I will try to do maybe one stream at the week in English and the other ones in Spanish. I'm learning Hungarian. So I relate fucking name. Okay, perfect. I understand you. Yeah, it's very menu group. Menu group. Yeah, I use it. No. Yeah, I use it menu group because we have menu. So no, I don't use a menu group. From where I take is menu group. Oh, we don't have menu group right here. Let's go check that. Alone in the dark. Yeah, I am alone. If you want, I can turn off all the light. No, let's go. Go down to the profile example. Okay, let's go to the profile example. Like Beta said, and come here. we have a menu option, profile, menu group. You have a menu button. I don't want a button. We have a button. We don't have a button. We have a like span, you know, because we don't have this one. And menu button. If we remove this one, we have perfect. Right? That's what I said. Menu list. We have a profile. Okay, we have a profile. But I don't know if we want to make this group, you know, because we have just one. We want just one option. No profile and help, you know. We need to want right here a logout, nothing more. I think the problem here is because we have this logout inside this one, you know, and we have a very large font size. So what we need to do, maybe is just set right here the font size. I think we will try XL. Yeah, we have a decent result, you know. I don't very proud of this, but it's a decent result. Ha ha ha. Sorry, Agus. I don't understand that. What do you mean about that? Watch out, Martin. That is Ferrari coming. You will not see it coming. Yeah. Ferrari is coming right here in any moment. Now, Ferrari passed a time ago up here in the stream, at the start of the stream. I think he's tired because he worked a lot and do moderation in every channel all the week. Oh, Feral. Yeah, Feral is like the bad light, you know? When you say 3 times Feral, Feral is coming. Feral, Feral, Feral. Get some rest. You need to get some rest. Okay, what is happening with this? I think menu list, menu group. What happened if instance of menu list? We can do. Let's go try menu group, because I think menu group maybe is adding some styling, you know. So it's styling for this. I'll import. Let's go right. No, it's the same result, no? If we'll roll back all this one, yeah, it's the same result. I don't like it. Why this is so small and this one is so big? It's maybe, I think it's because this one, okay, line height. This is the reason. Watch this. If we do menu list and we have a line height of 100%, I think. Yep. Yeah, we did it. That is because heading is wrapping all our data, and this is changing all the things, you know. But it's very decent right now, you know. We can say here cerrar sesión in a Spanish way, you know. I don't know Spanish, but the people know Spanish maybe. Ingresar, replacing login. And if we do login, we don't have any action because we don't put anything right here, no? Okay, we can wrap all the thing, I think. No. Or yes. I don't know which is the best practice. Using right here in the text or wrap in all the menu item. What do you think? But I have you in the background. Okay, Feral. Thank you for that. Thank you for following me on GitHub. I hope you enjoyed the Vega public project. No, the sarcasm. Step by step, Albert. You will have a very good project in that public GitHub, and I will copy all the data for you. I'm like Spanish. Okay, I was no problem. Thank you for being here. You can speak in Spanish, and I will translate you that you say in Spanish to English, and I will say that, or I will ask word you in English, if you don't mind. Martin, what's the desire to use Extravíos when we have the MVP ready? I don't know, really. We have to need to do a more stuff right here. We just made the login, so we can log in right now. We have a user and we have an email. After that, we can ask for more data, you know? When we have the page right here, I think in this part, we have an authentication, we have database, and in our database, in this one, I don't know if this one. Oh, very good song. No, sorry. User management, user. No. I don't remember in which part. And you can set some application. I think you can add more fields, you know, like city and province. So after that, the user just will see all the lost from that city, from yes, your city, and after that, you can have we need to add to more button, you know, or to add button or create button to create a new lost, you know. After that, do a more validation, and after that, different kind of thing, you know. We need maybe Albert, step by step. If you saw my first repository, yeah, all started in that way, you know. We have a very bad coding style at the first, and it's very common. You need to just practice, you know. That is better than don't have any side project, you know. If you just one project, one perfect project, or I don't know, I say you don't practice anything. And these projects are very good to practice different kind of things, to talk about good practice, and everything, you know. Close session, and we don't have any action because we have redirect to login. We need to change this to logout. After that, close session, and have the redirect, and we have an ingressor. Word is very big. That is because we don't have this line. Tick, sorry, no. This is text. Okay, perfect. And right now, ingressor, continue with Google. And after that, we have our user and close session. Woo! We did it. Now I'm sure one project was a to-do list, but I connected to Alexa and tracked the price of chocolate in Japan. Oh, very good. That's a good side project, you know? You can publish that in Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn. It's a good project, a good idea. I have a Google Home, and I can do something with Google Home, you know. Or we can do something or things with the mic, you know. I have as a project that you say like open Google, and the mic listen that command, and when you say that, the page open a new tab with Google, you know. Like, okay, Google, okay, no. I say, okay, no, okay. I just says, sorry, Google, sorry, it's not that for you. I'm talking with my stream, not with you. I'm sorry for that. I will talk with you after that the stream, but not now. So you can stop right now. Thank you. When I say clima pergamino, weather pergamino, that open. Sorry. Okay, Google, stop. Not now. Sleep. Thanks. And after that, open the clima pergamino and different kind of things. It's really interesting. I really have the interesting one in private, but I disconnected so much that I forget to finish them and they are left half finished. Okay, you can think, remember, you can think your side project like MVP, you know? Think in small pieces and don't try to do everything in one project, you know? You can do a first version with small things like that. And after that, you can iterate for that to add more things in every new feature, you know. Have you read the note about Lambda? No, I don't read it. What does it mean? What's it talk about? Yes, I also have a Google Home, but I also have an iPhone, so half of the thing I have to are restricted. Yeah, me too. I have an iPhone and Google Home. I didn't use too much Google Home, you know. But was very good in my old house. I was with my Google Home in my room, and so at the night I say, sorry for that. Okay, turn. Hey Google, stop. I don't say Google. I just says, hey. Can you hear me if I just say hey? You know, stop. I say, hey, turn off the lights, and boom, turn it off the lights of my room. This was very, very good for me. But just for lazy, you know, because I don't want to step by to the light and turn it off. Basically, an engineer working at Google claimed an AI become sentient. I don't remember that. Become sentient is like older, no? I think. Translate. Sensible? Oh, okay. It's like the AI have feelings, you know? He claimed it is why, like, I Islam and an interview. 20 minutes. Was following an interview on a collaboration conducted. But why we don't have it? We need. Sorry. We need to set up a new tab here. In this one, I have the really good extension. This for read. Very good. Okay. And oh, okay. He teach to the AI. Wow. Yeah, that is very interesting because we can teach our AI to do a different kind of thing, you know, combining different kind of actions and kind of, I don't know, responses, you know. So it's very, very, very good. Oof, Timon. Yeah, it's a very good song, this one. We are hearing English songs, you know. I put a English list because it's very good talking English and hearing English, you know. It's AI that started to say racist things and things like that. that and one of the engineers said that we was aware of what he was doing, and he ended up kicking the engineer out. Oh, it's very, very sad, that part, because that things are not good. Well, people, was a very, very good stream. I like it a lot because we did it all that thing. We can customize this part in other stream, but we have a login right now, and as you see, if we made it in Spanish, maybe we just made it in 5 minutes, but because was in English, I need to think everything. I need to explain everything in English and take me a lot more of time, you know. But I recommend you, if you want a simple login, you can use Haciendo, or as FedUp Save, you can use Superbase, that you can have a very good CRUD, because you have a login here too, and you can storage thing, and you have database, and you have add functions. Superbase is a very good alternative for that, and you can make something like real-time chat and everything. But we did it with Haciendo, and was very, very good for me. Thank you everyone for being here. Mariano, Shime, Albert, FedUp, and everyone that helped me to try to do this English stream. Oh, then the song just ended. Yeah, let's go. And was very fun to do. Like I said, I don't practice English very often, but talk in English, think in English, read in English, and everything in English, and hear English help a lot. And this is the best practice to learn English, you know, because if you want to learn English and you just read the concept or read the theory, and you don't practice never, this will be hard, you know. And the most interesting thing is the practice in everything, not just for language, and for coding too. And was a very good stream. The fourth stream, you know, fourth stream in a row, 2 weeks doing a stream. Oh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much to everyone, to all the support and all the message and all the help to do this reality. Today I start here in Argentina a long weekend, so I think tomorrow we will do another stream. I don't know if we will do tomorrow or maybe the Saturday or the Sunday. I will try to do a 12-hour stream, you know, 12 hours of code or everything, and I will try to do something like that. I don't promise anything, but if you want to know when I when I turn on the stream, you can follow me here at Twitter at Martin Acosta Dev. Oh, sorry, Carlosa. Thank you for that follow. Sorry for reading. 1,000 subs? Really? Wow. I didn't get it that. Right now? 1,000? I didn't know how much follow I have. Oh, sorry for my... Yeah, 1,000. Wow. This is very, very good. Well, thank you so much for all that support. People, thank you for all the hosts. Gonzi, Vamos a Codear, Code with Axie. Thanks everyone for that follow. I'm very proud for all this. This helping a lot because I like to do a stream and try to help us with anything. You know, if you learn one tip of this stream, I'm glad so much, because that's his idea, no? Helping each other, and that's is the good part of all this, no? Trying to learn together. 12 hours, you are insane. Correct, Martin. Thank you so much, Mariano. Thank you everyone for that support. Really, I didn't expect that. So tomorrow the stream will be in French. No, I think we will back to Spanish, and we will try to make a English stream. I don't know when. Why you don't have enable to subscribe? Maybe I don't have that because I'm not a partner, you know. And I need to do. No, sorry. I need make partner that people can subscribe. I think yes, because I need to do average of 75, I think 75 viewers. So it's very hard to do it, that part. But we will try. Okay, we can do something. We can write from now. I will try to write a person that is learning TypeScript. So, well, with affiliates, you should be able. Okay, Mati, thank you for that. I will try to configure that. I don't know why it's not enabled. Maybe I setting something. But well, thank you very much for being here, everyone. Thank you for all the support, and let's go to Axie, to a Spanish stream to learn something of TypeScript. We'll see you maybe tomorrow. I will try to do a stream tomorrow. Thank you for all. Let's go with Guns N' Roses right now. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for all. Bye bye.